Hello guys, welcome to my channel RKG Tutorials. If still not yet subscribed anyone, please subscribe my channel and do watch the previous classes also. And we are in the 17th class now. Let us solve one more problem. So look at the question. A plug setting of a negative sequence relay. Here the relay given is negative sequence relay. What is the importance of negative sequence relay? It senses the negative sequence current. So when there is an unbalance in the alternator, unbalanced loading, so due to which there is a sequence components, so this negative sequence relay senses negative sequence current. So that is given. Plug setting is nothing but relay pickup value RPV or the pickup current, that is given 0.2 amps. The current transformer ratio is 5:1, that is also given. CT ratio is also given. The minimum value of line to line fault current for the operation of the relay. So is asking the minimum value of the current that is to be carried by the relay to operate. So look at the solution. So is asking minimum value of line to line fault current. So it is given by the formula. If you go for the faults, you will get that is √3 times IR2. Let us say this is the negative current because we are using the negative sequence relay. So the relay will be like this. So here the CT will be, and here the secondary of the CT, to which here negative sequence relay is connected. Total setup negative sequence relay, let us say. So it is given the CT ratio is 5:1, and he has given the plug setting. Plug setting nothing but the current which is flowing to the negative sequence relay, that is 0.2 amps. 0.2 amps. So here, in order to calculate the minimum value of line to line fault current, you need to calculate the negative sequence current that is on the line. So this is the negative sequence current we need to calculate now. So how to calculate this? Let us see. So since let us calculate minimum negative sequence current, negative sequence current on primary side will be, so here, that means here will be IR2 minimum is equals to, so here this is since this is small capital IR2, this is small IR2, negative sequence on the secondary. So this can be, how do you get through the CT ratio? We will get it. So this is the primary, this is the secondary. So simply multiply by, so that is IR2 multiplied by CT ratio. So what is IR2? That is 0.2. That is the plug setting which is already given in the question. 0.2 amps multiplied by CT ratio. We want on the primary, so primary on top, secondary bottom, you will get 1 amp. So this is the minimum negative sequence current on primary side, but he is asking to calculate the minimum line to line fault. This is the phase. This is the phase current. So if you go for the fault current line to line, minimum will be √3 times the phase. Okay, so now here √3 multiplied by 1, that is equals to √3. What is the value of √3? That is 1.732 amperes. 1.732 amperes. So this is what is the minimum value of the fault current, which is for the functioning of the relay. So the option C is the correct answer. I hope you understood this. Thank you very much. Signing off.